Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss the scatter diagram. What is a scatter diagram? Different type of the relationship in which inverse relationship, linear relationship, curvilinear relationship, correlation analysis, positive correlation, negative correlation. And this is the first topic in measures of relationship or in chapter number 7. Scatter diagram. This is a scatter diagram in which dots are the indication of the scatter diagram or the scatteredness of the data. And there are two axes, y-axis and x-axis. The dependent variable we take in x-axis, y-axis, and independent variables are is taken on x-axis. So it is a graphical tool. It represents the relationship between two variables, independent variable and dependent variable. Independent variable, for example, the medicine is an independent variable where BP is a dependent variable. We check the effectiveness of the any medicine on BP. So medicine is not a dependent variable. Correlation analysis. Basically, correlation analysis measure the relationship between two variables or more than two variables. In correlation analysis, we check the closeness of linear regression, positive, negative relationship. Closeness of the linear regression in basically if a straight line in scatter diagram or all the point in straight form, so it shows a linear relationship. In linear regression, we measure the relationship between two variables. Positive correlation, negative correlation, no or zero correlation. In positive correlation, the movement of all variables in same direction, or in negative correlation in opposite direction, one is increases, other is decreases. In zero correlation, the movement of one variable is no or no movement. In scatter diagram, we check the various relationship, direct relationship, indirect relationship, or curvilinear relationship. In direct relationship, the points or the line is from bottom to up, from lower left side to upper right side. In indirect relationship, the points or line is run from high to low, from upper high left and to low right side, and indirect relationship from low to high. So these are opposite to each other. Indirect relationship from low to high, and indirect relationship from high to low. In both, from low in first indirect relationship, from low point is left to high right side, and indirect relationship from upper left side to lower right side. This relationship is curvilinear in this form. The data or the points on scatter diagram is in this form, the in form of the curve. So when the data is represent or the scatter diagram is represent in this form, so we set the curvilinear relationship. Positive correlation, negative correlation, no correlation. In positive correlation, both variable increases dependent and independent variable. For example, with the age of child, height is also increases. In negative correlation, when one value is increases, the other value is decreases. Car and its value, with the passage of time, the value or the price of car is decreases. No correlation, in which no effect on each variable, or one the value of the one variable is remain same, the scatteredness in diagram, so it's mean no correlation.